Alright, so I want to try to grow lion's mane mushroom using the Uncle Ben's tech. So the essential idea is we cut 2 holes in the top of the bag for air exchange, and another hole for the culture syringe. So that's 3 holes in total, and we are using the Uncle Ben's ready rice for this.
Alright, I want to try to grow some lion's mane mushroom. And I've got a culture syringe from the Mycelium Emporium. And this is like a heat tolerant strain of lion's mane I want to try out. So I'm going to try the Uncle Ben's tech for this. Got some alcohol, 70% isopropyl in this spray bottle. Slide everything down. Rice. Pour tape. Put everything down. Tape. Spray this too. One more thing. Pair of scissors. Knock them all down. Alright, so I'm not using a blow hood or a glove box. I don't really need those things. I don't have time for that stuff. But I think everything's fine. Oh, I'm just gonna flame sterilize the needle, and everything should be fine. No, I need one more thing. Lighter. Okay. Lighter as well. Why not? The flame. I've already worked the rice down to the bag. Maybe I could work it down more. I think that's fine. And try to make sure there's no grains in the top here, because I've got some air exchange holes. So we got like the straight up plain whole grain brown rice, and can't really see in the bag, but you can use your phone flashlight, put it up against the bag. You can kind of see if there's any grains stuck in the top. I shine a light through, if you can see that. Anyway. Now the easy part, the main part. I've got a lion's mane culture syringe. Another piece of tape. Tack it on. Okay. I know I should be wearing gloves and stuff, but it's got alcohol out of my hands. Should be fine. She's done. All right, just like that. So as you just let her sit and colonize until she's ready. So our lion's mane did fruit, and it is growing. Takes a while, but it's growing. And this is probably about a week of growth, and it's growing in these little 3 areas. This middle area is not growing too much, but the other 2 areas are doing fine. So I'll let it keep doing what it's doing. In this tent. That's it. Alright, it's 2 days later. Still getting some growth down there, but the one on the top seems to be yellowing, so I want to just pick this off.
And just let the one on the bottom grow. Split it into two. We'll just let that go. Too many holes, using too much energy, so we'll just let it grow from that one spot. The middle spot doesn't seem to be doing much either.